today I can confirm that Kaavan finally is ready to fly. Not only his body condition is physically good to fly, but also all the needed work permit, export permit, import permit, health certificate, everything is ready now for Kaavan. So by 29 of November, noon time, Kaavan will leave Islamabad Zoo to be retired elephant and to fly to his final pension home, retirement home in Cambodia, where he will have another 3 female elephants, and we will rehabilitate him with these 3 elephants.
Yes, there were times, I'm sure you